Welcome back users to our channel. In today's video, we will see how to install Pantheon desktop in Fedora 35. So you open your terminal. You can install the Pantheon desktop from your terminal. Just type sudo dnf group install Pantheon desktop and provide your sudo password. After the metadata has been checked and dependencies resolved, it will show you a list of packages that needs to be installed to satisfy the demand of installing Pantheon desktop on your laptop or PC. So this is the list of the packages that needs to be installed for installing the Pantheon desktop group. So the Pantheon desktop group will include this 127 packages. So the total download size will be just 100 MB and install size will be 295 MB. The system will ask for your confirmation. Give a confirmation yes, and the download will start. It will not take too long to download. So just 3 minutes, 100 MB will be downloaded. Then there will be a transaction test. Then the installation will start if the transaction test is passed. You just go on. After the installation, there will be verification of all the packages whether they are installed properly. Then the system will give you a summary of the installation after the verification stage has completed. So this is the 127 packages that are installed. At the end, the system will give you a complete message. Then you have to reboot your laptop or PC, and after the reboot, you will get to the login screen of the Pantheon desktop. So there will be option to log into the Pantheon desktop in addition to your GNOME or any other desktop that you are using for your Fedora. So this is how it is very simple to install Pantheon desktop and use it on your Fedora desktop. So you did not go and install elementary OS to just enjoy the benefits of Pantheon desktop, but Pantheon desktop can be installed on your Fedora system. So you can enjoy the elementary OS on your Fedora desktop. In short, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Do subscribe to our channel. Do give us likes. Do comment on your videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of our videos. Bye bye.